everyone. We have already started with the kinetics of complex reactions. In our previous videos, we have done opposing reactions, parallel reactions, consecutive reactions, and finally chain reactions. Chain reactions, it is a kind in which the products of the reaction initiates a long series of self-repeating steps. Now, chain reactions differ in many respects from the homogeneous reactions. Let us see the general characteristics of these chain reactions. The first one, steric factor of these chain reactions is generally greater than unity. Sometimes the chain reactions possess excessive speed. As it is, if a reaction proceeds very fast, like when it is hydrogen H2, if it is directly added to O2, the reaction proceeds very fast and forms H2O along with a lot of heat. So there can be possibility of an explosion. So sometimes these chain reactions possess excessive speed, due to which it may lead to explosion. Third, rate of chain reactions is 0 at the beginning. And it reaches a maximum value. Then slowly it falls with time. Chain reactions are normally preceded by induction period. The speed of chain reactions is accelerated or retarded by traces of other substances. If there is presence of any trace, fine trace of any other substance other than what we need, then the speed may be inhibited or it may accelerate. Rate of chain reactions is influenced by the changes in shape of the containing vessel. Generally, chain reactions have integral orders. They depend upon the shape of the vessel on other experimental conditions. Lastly, atoms and free radicals act as chain carriers in chain reactions. Example, if you remember the example of CH4 with Cl2 in presence of sunlight, CH and the chlorine, CH forms free radical Cl forms free radical and then they combine to form CH3Cl. Now these free radicals continue till they form CCl4. That is initiation, termination and propagation reaction that we saw in the process of chlorination. It is a kind of chain reaction in which chain carriers are at free radicals or atoms. Now, in order to study the kinetics of these chain reactions, it is essential to adopt methods which will detect the presence of atoms or free radicals. To estimate them. Example, we sometimes use ESR spectroscopy or mass spectroscopy. For the purpose of estimation of concentration of these radicals and atoms. Concentration. So these are all the general characteristics of chain reactions. That is it for this chain reactions. I'll continue with my next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.